Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Audacity app on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now search for this word Audacity in the search bar and hit enter. Wait till this list loads. Now go to the Audacity app and click on install corresponding to it. Okay. And once it is installed, you can search for it in the Windows search bar and then you can open the application. And then you can start recording using the record button here, and then you can stop it and you can also play it.
Record button here, and then you can stop it.
These are the basic functions of the Audacity app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.